welcome to Our Lady of Lourdes Catholic School. I'm Donna Witherspoon and I'm the principal. Thank you so much for taking the time to join us on our virtual open house. I hope during our tour that you'll get to see all that our school has to offer, from academics to faith to a caring and loving community. I'd like to introduce Ms. Bridget DeVries, who's our enrollment coordinator. She'll be taking you on the tour. Enjoy.
Thank you, Mrs. Witherspoon, and welcome everyone to Our Lady of Lourdes Catholic School. First, I'd like to start off our tour here in our elementary building. This year, this building houses our first, second, and fourth grade along with our LIFT program. So this is Mrs. Carroll, and she is our first grade teacher. She's also an OLL and MCC alum. Would you like to tell us a little bit about your first grade?
So we're doing Super Kids right now. They're answering question words using their spelling words for this month. So we're doing an activity where they read the story and listened to it a couple times, and now they're answering questions.
This is our engineering lab, which we have for all students. Everyone can use it. We do use it for our STREAM program. All the teachers are able to book this room. Here at Our Lady of Lourdes, we are an inclusive school. For this reason, we have what is called the LIFT program. Now, ordinarily, these students are mainstreamed throughout the day, but due to COVID, they are currently in a self-contained class. This is our teacher, Mrs. Stevens. Mrs. Stevens, would you please tell us what LIFT stands for and give us a little overview on your program?
Yes, so LIFT stands for Life Skills, Interaction, Focus, and Transition. So a lot of what we do in our classroom here is tailored to each individual student's need. We do lots of small group work and lots of rotation so that each student can learn at their level.
As we walk here to our middle school building, I'd like to show you we do have an outdoor classroom for those times when the teacher needs to be outside because their assignment will get a little messy, or if the children just need some fresh air. Here we have our middle school building where our middle school receives math, social studies, and English and language arts. Part of our curriculum includes music and art. The children do get it once a week, and that is through all grades from pre-K 3 through 8th grade.
Hi, I'm Autumn and I'm in 8th grade. Today I'm going to be talking about our STREAM program. STREAM is science, technology, religion, engineering, arts, and math. Every grade participates in STREAM and does projects throughout the whole year. Just the other day, we actually went over to our garden and planted beans.
Here in our 5th grade class, Mrs. Thomas, one of our middle school teachers, is teaching SEL, which stands for Social Emotional Learning. We feel that this is very important for the kids today, as there are a lot of different things that they need to learn to deal with, how to get back to a normal or a new normal.
Hi, welcome to our Early Childhood Center program, and welcome on in. Hi, guys.
Here at Our Lady of Lourdes, we have a pre-K 3 program, VPK program, and we also have some pre-K 4 students.
This is our kindergarten class. They are also in the same building as our pre-K building. However, they do go across the street to use the playground at the main school.
Hi, here at OLL, we take service very seriously. We have our students think beyond themselves and think about the greater community. We have service projects that focus not just on our local community, but also on the school and the parish and their needs. They work on gathering items for food, for hygiene, school supplies, as well as our international neighbors too that might have needs. Hurricane supplies, you name it. Here we think about the greater good of all.
Our teachers are experienced in doing differentiated teaching in every class, because not every child comes into us at the same level, but all of our students are treated the same, and their accommodations or modifications are made in the classroom for their different levels. We do accept various scholarships. We accept the Step Up for Students at FTC, which is the Florida Tax Credit Scholarship. We accept the Gardner Scholarship, as well as McKay, the Florida Empowerment Scholarship. There is a private foundation called AAA, and they provide tax credit scholarships as well as special needs scholarships.
Thank you so much for taking the time to visit with us in our virtual open house. We hope that you enjoyed your tour. please feel free to give us a call and come meet us in person. Or you can check out our social media and our website. We look forward to meeting you.